This is a citizen service delivery charter for the Cooperative University of Kenya, University Health Unit. The Cooperative University of Kenya, empowering communities. The Cooperative University of Kenya, CUK, is a public university established by the Government of Kenya under the Universities Act of 2012 and chartered on the 7th October 2016. The university is a leading center of excellence in education, research, innovation, and cooperative training. Our registered offices are located at Karen, Oshirika Road, P.O. Box 24814-00502, Karen, Nairobi, which is the seat of the university. The University Health Unit in this service delivery charter commits to serving its clients with respect to work ethics, professional conduct, and upholding human dignity. For verification of new students or staff medical forms, the requirement is an admission letter or a checklist or an appointment letter. The service is free and is offered in 10 minutes. For examination or filling student medical form, the requirement is a medical form. This service costs Kenya shillings 700 and is done within 30 minutes. For issuance of new outpatient cards or numbers, the requirement is either a student's or a staff ID. The service is free and is offered in 5 minutes. For taking vital signs, the requirement is an outpatient visit card. This service is free and is offered in 5 minutes. For history taking and examination, the requirement is an outpatient card. This service costs Kenya shillings 600 and takes between 10 to 20 minutes. For laboratory tests, the requirement is a laboratory test request form. The charges for this service are varied as displayed and the timeline is as displayed. For the dispensing of drugs, the requirement is a valid prescription pad. The service is charged as per the prescription and takes between 10 to 15 minutes. For wound dressing, the requirement is a valid prescription. The charges for this service are Kenya shillings 500 for small wounds, Kenya shillings 1,000 for extensive wounds, and Kenya shillings 1,500 for burns. The timeline depends on the severity. For administering IV fluids, the requirement is a valid prescription. This service is charged at Kenya shillings 800 per bottle and takes up to 8 hours. For suturing of wounds, the requirement is a valid prescription. The charges for this service are Kenya shillings 500 for small wounds, Kenya shillings 1,500 for medium wounds, and Kenya shillings 2,000 for extensive wounds. The service takes up to 1 hour. For the removal of a foreign body in situ, the requirement is a valid prescription. The service is charged at Kenya shillings 1,500 and takes up to 30 minutes. For ear syringing, the requirement is a valid prescription. The service is charged at Kenya shillings 1,500 and takes up to 30 minutes. For administering parenteral medication, the requirement is a valid prescription. The service is charged at Kenya shillings 500 and takes between 10 to 20 minutes. Customer obligations. A customer is obligated to 1. Treat our staff with courtesy and respect. 2. Attend scheduled meetings and appointments punctually. 3. Respond to requests for information by the department accurately and on time. 4. Provide us with changes in your circumstances promptly. 5. Communicate compliments, suggestions, and complaints. 6. Address your communication in 5 above to the relevant officer or their supervisor in person through email, telephone, suggestion box, or in the provided register. 7. Abide by all legal requirements and other obligations that our clients are required to meet to be eligible for the services sought. For inquiries, compliments, or complaints, contact us through Vice Chancellor, the Cooperative University of Kenya, P.O. Box 24814-00502, Karen, Nairobi. Email vc@cuk.ac.ke or inquiries@cuk.ac.ke. Mobile +254 724 311 606 or Health Unit Department, the Cooperative University of Kenya, P.O. Box 24814-00502, Karen, Nairobi. Email h-unit@cuk.ac.ke. Emergency contact +254 20 267 9455. Mobile +254 724 311 606. Follow us on X at COPVarsity.ke, Instagram COP_university, TikTok COPVarsity.ke, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, the Cooperative University of Kenya.